going to pass a knot on a raise or a haul back through our system anchors. Depending on how much mechanical advantage you have and where you have all those pulleys, what that looks like, it's all conditional based. But usually you can systematically pass the knot through any kind of mess until it actually starts to get up against your main device. In this case, the Maestro. This represents our 3-to-1 system here, and we've already passed this part and jumped it. And now as we two block and we start to collapse and this knot is starting to encroach upon our space, we're going to grab our Aztec. We're going to extend it out. The further we extend it out, probably the better, because it gives us more space on that back end to push that knot through. Otherwise, we'd have to like stop and then disconnect some things on the backside and push our knot through the haul system. So if we can extend our Aztec out, the further the better, that's fine. So here we go, Aztec's extended out a reasonable distance, and I'm just going to connect it just like before with the rescue sender. Okay. And now we haul. As we haul, we create this dead leg here. And now we're captured on our Aztec, and we can pass this knot through our system and maybe even through this mess too. And it just depends on how big our throw is. That out. And we've effectively passed our knot. Okay. So I'm just going to DC this so you can see what's going on. So right now we're captured here. We have to transfer back, and since there's no dead leg, we've taken all that slack out, we can pull in on the Aztec, let out, and let that transfer happen naturally and pay this Aztec out a little bit to fully transfer that tension. Just like that. Now the Aztec is dead, and we can DC that and get it out of the picture. Okay, so Aztec is done, served its purpose. So we were only able to get our knot like half an arm span up, and if we needed to reset our system, this knot we'll have to pass again. But it's not as complicated as passing it through the device that actually has that ratcheting cam, that progress capture.